Is your Shark AI Ultra losing power? A quick clean can bring it back to life so you can maintain strong suction, prevent clogs, and keep your robot performing at its best with just a few simple steps. Always power off your robot before maintenance by holding the dock button for 5 to 7 seconds. Flip it over to remove the brush roll, clean out hair or debris, and check the end caps before reattaching. Clean the side brush by pulling it off, removing dust or hair, then snapping it back in place. Wipe cliff sensors, charging contacts, and clean the dustbin and filter with a cloth or compressed air. Keep the dock working properly by wiping the charging contacts with a dry cloth. Empty the self-empty dustbin when full by pressing the release button and tapping it over a trash can. It's recommended to clean this dustbin once a month to ensure smooth performance. The base has 2 filters, post-motor and pre-motor. Remove them, tap out dust, and rinse with cold water only, never use soap. Let them fully air dry before reinstalling. Cleaning these filters monthly keeps suction strong and your robot running efficiently. Now your Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is fresh, maintained, and ready to tackle your floors again. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.